Recently, ARM-based laptops and desktops have become more and more popular, with the release of both Apple's M series chips, which are more powerful than before, and Snapdragon ARM-based chips, which has made most people believe that ARM may just be the feature for both laptops and desktops, as they are reasonably powerful and can be energy efficient at the same time. But is that really the case? Well, we're about to find out. Let's start by identifying what ARM and x86 chips are for those who might be unfamiliar with these terms. Let's start with ARM. What exactly is ARM? ARM-based chips are processors designed using the ARM architecture, renowned for its energy efficiency and balanced performance. These chips frequently utilize an integrated architecture, meaning they combine multiple components such as the CPU, RAM, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth on a single chip, known as a system-on-chip (SoC). This integration reduces power consumption, minimizes physical space, and enhances overall efficiency, making ARM-based chips ideal for mobile devices, embedded systems, and energy-conscious applications. On the other hand, x86 is a family of 6 complex instruction set computer architectures for computer processors known for delivering strong performance. It has been the dominant architecture for desktops, laptops, and servers for decades, powering everything from high-end gaming PCs to enterprise-level servers. However, x86 processors typically consume more power than ARM, making them less ideal for energy-conscious applications. Instead, they excel in environments where raw power and computational power are prioritized over energy efficiency, such as data centers, heavy-duty workstations, and gaming systems. We now understand exactly what x86 and ARM are, so let's determine if ARM truly has the advantage over x86. Let's do this by going over some advantages of each, then we'll come to the final conclusion. Let's start with some advantages of ARM. Number 1. Performance with less power draw. I know I implied that x86 chips are kings when it comes to performance during my explanation. While that was true before, it isn't anymore, as modern ARM chips like the Apple's newly released M4 series can outperform powerful x86 systems in CPU performance. Not only that, they are able to achieve this while remaining efficient, drawing less power than an x86 chip would. Number 2. Better thermals. ARM chips has better thermals, or rather tend to generate less heat and thus won't require much cooling. You can see examples in the MacBook Air, the iPad Pro, which isn't a PC but uses the same chips Apple uses for their laptops and doesn't make use of active coolers, due to the fact that they can run properly most of the times without the need of fans. Number 3. Battery life. In laptops, ARM chips stand out due to their low power consumption. They allow devices to achieve long-lasting battery life while delivering good performance, plugged in or unplugged. This can be said for x86 chips, which tend to be more power hungry, which leads to worse battery life and performance difference when not connected to a power source. Devices like the MacBook and other ARM-based laptops demonstrate this advantage, often delivering all-day usage without the need to be charged. Number 4. Compact designs. Most of the times, ARM systems tend to be more compact, or rather come with smaller form factors than x86 systems. ARM-based desktops like the Mac Mini tend to be much more smaller than regular x86 desktops, while being reasonably or rather more powerful than x86 desktops you'll find at that size. I know what you may be thinking: if ARM chips provide performance similar to x86 chips and draw less power, then what's the need for x86? So that's how I'll say x86 isn't beating yet. It still has many advantages over ARM, some of which plainly makes x86 superior to ARM and why x86 remains the preferred choice for many. Let's talk about it. Number 1. They can be upgraded. Unfortunately for ARM, due to its reliance on SoC, system-on-chip architecture, it can't really be upgraded. On the other hand, x86 based systems allow you to swap out CPUs, add more RAM, or upgrade other components. With ARM, you are stuck with what you pay for, which is a big advantage for x86 based desktops, as this means you're able to upgrade most components to get better performance instead of needing to buy a new machine when better performance is needed. Number 2. GPUs. While integrated GPUs on ARM chips like Apple's M series are often way better than the ones on x86 chips, we should also not forget the fact that x86 systems can be paired with dedicated GPUs to further boost graphical performance way past what even Apple's ARM GPUs are capable of. This changes things because these dedicated GPUs typically offer much better performance than ARM-based GPUs. While chips like Apple's M4 and Snapdragon's latest SoCs are impressive, dedicated GPUs are way more powerful and can easily outperform ARM GPUs in gaming, video editing, and other heavy workloads. Don't get me wrong, ARM laptops are capable, but when compared to a PC with mid to high-end graphics card, x86 takes the win. Number 3. Software compatibility. While ARM-based systems offer impressive power management while still having good performance, their compatibility can be a limiting factor. Despite growing support, many apps still remain unoptimized for ARM or don't work at all. As x86 is the dominant architecture, this makes switching to ARM challenging for users who rely on specific software or rather apps. For example, gaming further highlights this gap, as most games are built for x86 with limited support for ARM. With x86 widespread adoption, users are far less likely to encounter compatibility issues, making it the more reliable choice for running apps, games, and other software. This ultimately makes me come to a conclusion on if ARM is going to take over x86. So that I'll simply answer no. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. To put simply, if you are looking for a system for pure performance, go with an x86 system. But if you want a system that will last you all day, which also has good performance, though not as good as x86 systems, then ARM systems will probably be the best choice for you, though you have to consider the software compatibility limitations. If you watched to this point, please let me know your thoughts on x86 and ARM-based systems. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.